Good morning, students. Let us continue with our chapter number 6, Natural Regions. In the previous period, we have seen the introduction and tundra region. Now, take out page number 32 and let us begin with the taiga region. Before moving forward, let us see today's thought. Your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. I repeat, your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. So students, let us see taiga region. Location: approximately between 55° and 65° north parallels. From Alaska to Atlantic coast, parts of Eurasia. Eurasia means Europe and Asia. So Eurasia. So in the map which is given in dark color, that region is the taiga region. Climate of this region. Here summer temperature is 15° to 20° Celsius. Winter temperature is below 0° Celsius. Mean annual rainfall between 300 to 500 millimeters. Rainfall in summer and snowfall in winter. That means again taiga region is also falls in colder climate. Though as compared to tundra region, it is less cold, but still your temperature falls below 0° during winter and there is snowfall. So in the picture you can see both. In one picture we are having snowfall, in other we are having normal sunlight, the normal day. So here in this region, because of this climatic condition and temperatures varying, we are having coniferous forest. Now let us move to the next slide. Natural vegetation. Coniferous forest. Leaves are narrow and pointed. Now leaves are narrow and pointed because of the snowfall. So wherever there is snowfall, you might have observed the trees that they are having narrow and pointed leaves, because if they might be having the broad leaves, there will be lot of snowfall and it will be getting saturated on the leaves and it may break. So that's why they are having narrow and pointed leaves, so that when the snow falls on it, it slides down. Branches lean towards the ground. Again one more reason, branches are leaning towards the ground, so that snowfall is there, it will be sliding on the ground. Because if the snow gathers on the plants or the trees or the branches, it may break. So naturally it has developed itself, the vegetation, so that the branches will not break because of the weight of the snow. Wood are light and soft. Spruce, pine, redwood are some of the trees which are found here in the coniferous forest. I have shown you the picture of various plants. Here trees which are found here. This is the redwood. You can see it is reddish in color and huge big trees are found here. Again most of the part is mountainous. So you have already seen when we have dealt with the country, our country, in the previous lessons, in the previous standard, that in the northern Himalayan region the trees are very tall. The same thing is here also, because to get the sunlight they grow very tall. In the coniferous forest also huge and big trees are grown. In the third picture you can see the fruits. These are the fruits which grow on pine trees. Animal life. Animal life. Here animals have soft and thick fur, again to secure themselves from the extreme cold conditions. So they are having again thick fur because the climate is cold, 15° to 20° in summer. That means it is also quite cold, and in winter it is about 0° or below that. So to save them from the extreme climates, they are having the thick fur. Animals found here are caribou. Already in the tundra region we have seen the picture of caribou. It is like deer, from the deer family. Then we have elks, ermine, beavers. Here beavers the spelling is wrong. Silver fox, minks, and bears. In the picture I have shown you the elks. Again, elks is somewhat like caribou and reindeer. It also belongs to the deer family. Male elk have the largest antlers which shed every year. Antlers means ते शिंग, जे त्याच्या डोक्यावर शिंग दिसत आहे. So they are having very large antlers and male elks shed it, म्हणजे ते गळून पडतात. जसं आपले लहान मुलांना दात येतात दुधाचे, and at specific age the milk teeth falls and you get another set of teeth. Similarly, this male elk have the largest antlers and it sheds every year. ते आपोआप मोठे झाले की गळून पडतात आणि मग तिथे पुन्हा नवीन शिंग येतात. In the next picture you can see brown and white color animal. It is ermine, also known as stoat or weasels. It feed on small animals, eggs and frog. That means it is carnivorous. तो flesh खातो. It is carnivorous animal and it is feed on the eggs and other small animals and also frogs. It is somewhat like mongoose. Next is mink. Mink is again semi-aquatic carnivorous animal. Semi-aquatic means it can live in water also and outside the water also. So it is semi-aquatic. So most of the time it is underwater and it also comes outside the water. And it is again carnivorous. It is also flesh-eating animal. Here it is brown bear. In tundra region we have seen the polar bear, which are huge and white fur they are having, white in color. So in this taiga region we are having the bear similar to tundra region bear, that are polar bear, but here the skin, the fur color is brown. They are also very huge. Here first picture is beaver. Again beaver is a semi-aquatic rodents. Now rodents means from the rats family, and rodents means the animals who are having the incisors, big incisor. That is जे समोरचे दोन दात असतात ज्याच्याने ते कुरतडतात, दॅट आर कॉल्ड द रोडंट्स. तर म्हणजे जे कुरतडणारे प्राणी आहे जसं उंदीर. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द रोडंट्स अँड बीवर बिलॉंग्स टू द rodent family. That means the rat family. So their incisors are constantly growing. They are having two incisor, big incisor. And these semi-aquatic animals, they are herbivorous. That means they don't eat the flesh. They eat the plants, grass and fruits. In next picture you can see the silver fox. Now human life in taiga region. Here again life is very difficult due to climatic condition, so population is also less. Students, human population has increased in the region where life is very easy, basic needs are fulfilled. So in this region also life is very difficult, agriculture again is very difficult, so the population is less here. Basic occupation is lumbering and hunting. Now lumbering means cutting down. In the first picture you are seeing the lumbering. Coniferous forest is there, huge forests are there, so their basic occupation is cutting down of trees for trade. So cutting down trees and trading it, this is called lumbering and hunting. Other few agrarian activities are also done when there is no snowfall, when there is rainfall. So agriculture is also done and related activity, but it is in very less quantity. So main large scale activity is lumbering and hunting. In the first picture you can see people cutting down the trees and trading. So in this way they are performing the lumbering activities, and in other picture you have seen that they have killed one of the animals. We can see the animal in that picture, it is elk. So here hunting is also the main occupation. So students, go through the textbook, read the taiga region and again revise the tundra region. In next period we will see the other region, that is grassland. Thank you.